So let's talk about Carl Icahn. He's a legend on Wall Street, but some say he's losing his edge, and 2023 was a rough year for Carl. Now, before we look at any charts, I do want to look at this article. Is Icahn Enterprises stock a buy? So Carl Icahn is one of the top activist investors in the world. Icahn is a legend in the investing world for his ability to identify undervalued companies and push for changes in management or strategy that can help those companies make more value. Icahn has 50% of his investment portfolio invested in a single stock, a la Icahn Enterprises. The stock offers an impressive dividend yield nearing 29%, holy cow, but it's faced significant scrutiny over the past year. As a result, its price has fallen 66% since May of 2023. Now, you fall 66%, your yield goes up. So this 29% is a bit deceiving. Icahn takes an active role in shaking up management teams and working to institute other changes he believes will turn around the business. Icahn was one of the first activist shareholders, earning him the nickname Corporate Raider. One of his more recent successes was in 2024 when he purchased eBay and encouraged it to spin off PayPal, which had stellar returns in the years that followed. Now, Icahn does most of his activist investing activity within the investment segment of Icahn Enterprises. There, he seeks out undervalued companies and looks to improve their valuation by cutting costs or making strategic acquisitions that could help make the company more efficient. Now, I mentioned recent struggles going back to 2023. One reason for its struggling investment performance was Icahn's short-selling activities. Over the past several years, Icahn has taken significant short positions, including credit default swaps that he used to short commercial mortgage-backed securities. This was a good strategy during the pandemic lows. However, with the Fed's cutting interest rates and it became a risk-off environment for the next several years. So anybody shorting the markets took a huge L. Now, Icahn Enterprises has fallen significantly over the past year. One of the primary causes was the report from the famed short seller Hindenburg Research. According to the report, Hindenburg alleged that Icahn Enterprises' net asset value was overstated. Now, Hindenburg went on to say that Icahn Enterprises traded at a 218% premium to its net asset value at the time, primarily due to retail investors attracted to its high yield payout and the opportunity to invest in the legendary activist investor, and alleged that the company didn't have enough cash flow to support its distribution. Now, Icahn Enterprises offers a juicy dividend yield that could entice income-focused investors. Carl Icahn says the company is returning to its activist and investor roots, which should help improve its investment performance, which has been a drag on the business for years. However, the company has its work out for it, as its debt-to-equity ratio rose significantly last year, and its dividend is vulnerable to further cuts. Therefore, according to the article, avoid buying the stock. All right, so let's go to the charts now. And we're going to go to the monthly chart. And as you can see, this is a major level of interest. You have support, resistance, and down near that $8 to $10 level, this was a huge wick that occurred in March of 2010. And if you look at the bottom of that wick, you go left. You have a nice area of interest here. That's buyers. And at $8, you can see resistance, resistance, which should be support. All right, but the closest level of interest is the $20 level, where just $3 below its current price. Now you can see price has been sideways for the past several months. And so let's scroll down and see if we can find any setups. And as you can see, after this huge sell-off where you had most of your high volume bars, although price did further decline another 17%, it did so on low volume. You need volatility to make money in the markets, and at this time, this is a stock I would avoid. Just to confirm, let's go to the daily chart, and Yeah, there's no setup at this time. Look at this low volume. There's nothing here. And so I agree with the article. I would avoid buying this until it shows you signs that it wants to move higher. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.